Hello and welcome to another Bing Ad suspension restoration case study. So I'm going to start with the website, then the suspension errors on the Bing we got, and then how we were able to get it restored. So it was a long case study and had to done multiple communication, had to do the multiple time changes on the website, and it was a story of patience and being supportive to get it restored. So this is the website of the client. So you may see over here the website name is firedirect.com. So you may see now this is their website. Wood stove inserts promotions limited time offer. You may see over here. Now this is their bed selling wood stoves. You may see over here with their reviews, and yeah, this is the website. So I'm going to show you the suspensions we got, and then we can discuss over here. So you may see over here, this is one of the suspension message they got, and another is over here. So you may see this is Ellie from Microsoft Bing Advertising Support, and after a thorough review, we have reviewed your appeal request for manager account. It determined the account is in violation of the Microsoft Advertising egregious policy, and egregious violation policies include. Now this is a very common and very popular. Unfortunately, it's very popular violation policy, and this is where they say that obfuscation content, use of the service to facilitate illegal practice, malware, malicious software codes, counterfeit, malicious, dangerous content or services, any landing page or downloadable content which removes user control, ad content which obfuscates the intention of functionality of any downloaded product or service, circumventing or evading system safeguards or monitoring any content or action designed to facilitate gaining unauthorized access, deceptive or obfuscated content, cloaking or spoofing, impersonation, excessive collection of personal information necessary to fulfill ad promise, emotionally manipulative or coercive content, attempting to circumvent our micro account suspension or other measure attempt to enforce our policies. So you may see this is a detailed violation over here for the account. So I'm now going to start show you few of the communications and audits as well, because there were multiple members being involved in it, and multiple communication was done over here, and multiple chat members was as well. So every chat guy has a different opinion. So you may see over here, thank you for waiting. Based on investigation, your account will remain closed and is not liable for an appeal at this time. So this was one of the failure we got even during the chat, and we will send you the list of the reasons for this account via email. So emphasized on the list of the reasons why the account was emphasized, so we can sort around those issues and get it approved over here. And we have taken all we educated the client regarding, we have taken all the corrective actions, including malware removal, policy compliance, kernel clearance. Our business depending on this account, and we are fully committed to Microsoft policies moving forward. Please log is a formal re-review request. Even if appeal is not available via dashboard, I ask you to internally escalate this one last time for manual review. So you may see that how my team was communicating over here. And another communication over here, thank you for understanding and continued patience. We truly appreciate your efforts in seeking resolution and understand how important the account is. However, after thorough review, we regret to inform you that the account no longer eligible for repair. This includes any further request. So we informed them, and then we had our own audits done as well, and I'm going to show you a few of the audits as well. For instance, the audit over here, you may see around, we found some broken links, we sorted around those. These were the broken links, they were not working, and we also emphasized for the website speed optimization for both mobile and desktop view. We also looked for Bing webmaster tools and Google search console tools, and sorted out both errors in the Google search console and Bing webmaster tool as well to get it approved. And there were placeholders as well, and the placeholders we learned after restoring Google suspensions account, and we also found out that they also plays a crucial role in Bing Ad suspension. So we sought that as well. There were malware issues as well on the website. So you may see here that one of our scanners potentially declared it as a potentially suspicious error, and some other errors suggested that maybe the domain has redirect or something, and the popular opinion regarding the domain was that it's using a different brand name, and this was causing an error. We also suggested the phone number, email address needed to be clickable. We added the business address, registration information, display the physical address, registration number, tax ID, and more transparency for the website and on social media as well. This I have shown you. You may see over here that the account is multiple times and multiple communication and multiple rejections. You may see over here every day that we were asking them to escalate our issue to higher management. Another day, another commitment, another staff. Thank you for the efforts you have made to bring your website into compliance. I really understand your commitment and the time you have invested. However, please note that a decision regarding your account has already undergone a thorough review and has been finalized. We understand this may not be the outcome you were hoping, and but we suggested it's unfair, and then we asked them that this needed to be changed again and again, and communication was done over here as well. So you may see over here that we requested them another time that we need a fair review, where this is suggested us that your account, I can confirm that it's still currently under active review by our investigation team. While I understand waiting can be challenging, rest assured that the team is working diligently to assess everything thoroughly. At this stage, the best step is to allow the review process to be completed. Once the decision has been made, you will receive an update regarding your account status. So you may see over here another day, another communication, and then suddenly we got this an email from the Bing support, where they said that, hi, this is Lee from Microsoft Advertising Support. I hope you are doing well. As part of our commitment to safety and quality, we have reviewed the decision to suspend your customer account and determined it was made in error. We have removed the suspension, and your account is now live and eligible to serve in markets targeted where your content is compliant with the policy. We apologize for any inconvenience this has caused you or your business. Wishing you all the best. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write over here. So yeah, this is another successful case study, and this is now a website compliant, fast, error sorted out, checkout procedure, everything was rechecked, cross-checked, reviews were added, and all, and we helped them to make it a better website. So in case if you need help or assistance with Bing Ads, suspensions management, or Google Ads or Google Message Center, we are a full-fledged company. There is a detail in the description of this video for our services. We also welcome custom services, and we also help clients with website development as well. So in case if you need any services, you are more than welcome to hire me and my team. Again, this is our teamwork, not a single person work, and a lot of days, a lot of work was done, and the client had to be supportive to get it approved. So yeah, we are also very thankful to the client who put his trust on us and to make it a successful project. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching. We look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.